If you've been using Canva for a while without a folder system in place, there's a good chance your Projects tab has become one long, overwhelming scroll. Getting your designs and images filed away into folders makes a real difference to how quickly you can find things and how manageable your account feels day to day. But knowing where to start can feel like the harder problem. If you're not sure which of your designs are currently sitting outside a folder, I'll link below to my tutorial on how to find Canva designs not in a folder. That's a useful first step before you start moving things around. Once you know what needs a home, this tutorial covers the mechanics of actually getting everything where it belongs. Once you've got your folder set up, there are a few different ways to move files into them. So let me walk you through the options and then tell you which ones I actually use. For a single file, the quickest approach is the three-dot menu. Hover over the file, click the three-dot menu that appears, and choose Move. Canva will show you your folder structure so you can select the folder or subfolder where it belongs, and it moves there immediately. For multiple files, the three-dot menu isn't an option. It only works on one file at a time, and moving files one by one defeats the purpose of doing this efficiently. Instead, select everything you want to move first, either by hovering over each file and checking the checkbox that appears, or by clicking and dragging across a group to select several at once. Once you have everything selected, a folder icon appears on screen. Click that, choose your destination, and Canva moves everything in one go. There's also a third option for times when you're working at the top level of your Projects tab. You can drag an individual file directly into a folder, or select multiple files and drag them in together. Moving images and videos inside Uploads works exactly the same way: the three-dot menu for a single file, the folder icon for multiple, or drag and drop if that feels more natural for how you work. If you haven't set up your folders yet, I'll link below to my tutorial on how to create folders and subfolders in Canva so you can get that foundation in place first. And if you want a clear starting point for organizing your entire Canva account, my free Canva Organization Roadmap walks you through exactly where to begin. I'll link to that below as well.